Here's a really easy way you can make flames in Photoshop. Firstly, we're going to add a new layer. Next, grab your pen tool and you're just going to create a path that you want. I'll go with this weird wavy thing. Next up, go to Filter, Render, Flame. And you have a bunch of presets here. You can load presets as well. And you have all of these sliders to play around with. On the left side, you have your preview. So it's pretty easy to understand what slider does what. Now for this specific example, I want my flame to be more of an abstract one and not a realistic one. That's why in the flame type, I'm gonna go with one flame along path. And then I'm just gonna play around with the sliders to get the effect I want. You can also check this box if you want your flames to be a different color other than orange. So if you want like blue flames or green flames, you can definitely do that. I'm gonna go with a high quality and press OK when you're happy with it.